Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss schools of Muslim law. This question will come in your exam as what are the main schools and sub schools of Muslim law? Discuss the main difference between the schools. So I am here to discuss this answer elaborately. In introduction, you have to write the Muslims can be classified into two main categories. They are Sunnis and Shias. There is no great religious difference between the Sunnis and the Shias. Now moving on to main part. The schools of Muslim law can be divided or can be studied under the three following heads. Number 1 is the Sunni school, number 2 the Shia school, and number 3 the Mutazila school. Now the various schools are discussed below. The Sunni school. The Sunni school of Muslim law can be classified into four kinds. Number 1 Hanafi school. This school was founded by Imam Abu Hanifa, a jurist of highest rank. Number 2 is Maliki school. This school was founded by Imam Malik. His most significant contribution was his book Muwatta. This school is also called Madini school. Number 3 is Shafi'i school. Imam Shafi was the founder of Shafi'i school. His full name was Abu Abd Allah Muhammad ibn Idris Ash-Shafi. Number 4 is Hanbali school. Imam Abu Abdullah ibn Muhammad Hanbal, commonly known as Ibn Hanbal, was founder of this Hanbali school of Islamic jurisprudence. Number 2 is Shia school of Muslim law. Moving on to Shia school of Muslim law, the word Shia means adherent or firm in opinion. This word has become a distinctive appellation of those Muslims who assert that Ali, the son-in-law of the Prophet Muhammad, was the lawful successor of the Prophet, and both Imamat and Khilafat developed upon him as a matter of right upon his posterity by his wife Fatima, the daughter of Prophet Muhammad. The main Shia schools are: number 1 is Asna Ashariya school. The followers of this Asna Ashariya school are largest of the Shia sect. They follows 12 imams. They are called 12ers. Asna Ashariya followers are called 12ers. This school is subdivided as Akbari and Usuli school. The Asna Ashariyas are found in Lebanon, Iran, Iraq, Pakistan, and India. Shari-ul Islam is an authoritative book of this school. Number 2 is Ismailiya school. This school was founded by Imam Ismail. The followers of this school is called Ismailiyas. Number 3 is Zaidiya school. Zayed was the founder of this school. The followers of this school is not found in India. And last school of Muslim law is the Mutazila school. Only the Shias and Sunnis have their schools, but the Mutazilas do not have their own schools. They have no organized community and no separate body of law. So the following diagram shows about the different schools of Muslim law. Firstly, the Sunni school. Sunni school, it is divided into four categories: Hanafi, Maliki, Shafi'i, and Hanbali. And then Shia school is divided into Asna Ashariya, Ismailiya, and Zaidiya. Asna Ashariya is also divided into Akbari and Usuli. And then Ismailiya is divided into Khozas, Bohras of Bombay. Zaidiya has no subdivision, and then Mutazila has no such school. This was the detailed discussion about schools of Muslim law and its various sub-schools. Now, moving on to difference between Sunni and Shia school of Muslim law. The following are some of the important points of differences between the Sunni and Shia laws. So there are 10 points of differences between Shia and Sunni school of Muslim law. First one is regarding law of marriage. Among the Shias, the temporary or muta marriage is lawful, but it is unlawful among the Sunnis. The Sunni law prescribes the presence of two male witnesses at the time of marriage, which the Shia law does not seem it a necessary condition. Number 2 is regarding dower. Under the Sunni law, the 10 dirhams is the minimum amount of dower, but under Shia law, there is no minimum amount or minimum limit fixed. So, under the Sunni law, 10 dirhams is the minimum amount of dower, but under Shia law, there is no minimum recommended amount of dower. Point number 3 of difference is regarding divorce or talaq. Under Sunni law, talaq may be effected orally or by a written document, but under Shia law, a talaq must be pronounced orally in the presence of two witnesses, and talaq communicated in writing is not valid unless the husband is physically incapable of pronouncing it orally. Talaqul biddat is recognized under the Sunni law, but Shia law does not recognize talaqul biddat. Then point number 4 is regarding guardianship. The mother under the Sunni law is entitled to custody of a child of a boy till the age of 7 years and girl until the age of puberty, but under the Shia law, the mother is entitled to the custody of a boy till the age of 2 years and the girl until the age of 7 years. Point number 5 is regarding maintenance. Under the Sunni law, liability to maintain the father rests on his children, even if he is earning. But under the Shia law, it is not obligatory to maintain if the father is in a position to earn. Number 6 is regarding gift. A gift of undivided share, musha, in a property which is capable of division is irregular under the Sunni law unless some special conditions are satisfied. But under the Shia law, a gift of an undivided share is valid, though it be a share in property capable of partition. Point number 7 is regarding waqf. Under Sunni law, a waqf inter vivos is completed by a mere declaration of endowment by the owner, whereas under Shia law, a waqf inter vivos cannot be created by a declaration. There must also be delivery of possession. Number 8 is regarding preemption or shufa. Sunni law recognizes 3 classes of preemptions. They are Shafi'i Khalid, Shafi'i Sharik, and Shafi'i Zar. But the Shia law recognizes only one class of preemptors. They are Shafi'i Sharik or co-owners, and that too when there are only 2 co-owners. If there are more co-owners, there are not such rights under the Shia law. Point number 9 is regarding wills. A person under Sunni law cannot bequeath anything in favor of a heir except with the consent of the other heirs signified after testator's death. But under Shia law, no consent is necessary if the bequest does not exceed 1/3, and where it does exist, the consent of the heirs may be given over during the lifetime of the testator. And the last and final point is regarding inheritance. According to Sunni law, there are 3 classes of heirs: sharers, residuaries, and distant kindred. But under Shia law, there are only 2 classes of heirs: sharers and residuaries. So this was the detailed discussion about the subsections and divisions of Muslim law and the difference between these 2 schools. So if you have enjoyed this video, if it is helpful for you, so to get more videos of law, any question of Muslim law, Hindu law, law of contract, and any other law subject, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching the video. Good night.